One of the world's biggest fears is glossophobia. Believe it or not, glossophobia is a fear of public speaking, and about 70% of the world share it. I play a lot of shows. So I played shows to a few hundred people. I've played shows to a few thousand people, playing my own music. And all the time, I'd always have people come up to me afterwards and ask, how do you do it? Like, how do you get on stage in front of that many people and look so confident and look so excited? And I'll circle back to that in a second. With glossophobia, we just got to break it down. It's just the fear of failure. Turns out fear of failure is completely natural. If people see us fail, if we fail publicly, we run the risk of being kicked out of our tribe. Good news, it's not 10,000 BC anymore. No one actually cares. The upside is there's a really simple hack to use to overcome this fear, and it's one that I use all the time. The symptoms of being nervous are increased heart rate, you get all sweaty, and maybe your pupils dilate. Well, turns out they are the exact same symptoms as being excited. So a really easy reframe is to just tell yourself you're not nervous, you're excited. And I used to use that trick every time I'd perform. The other thing to remember, if you've never tied your shoes before, you'd probably be nervous to tie your shoes in front of other people. The same goes for public speaking. All you have to do is build that confidence through repetition, and then from there, you'll get better at public speaking. Over the next few days, we'll give you all the skills that you need to up your confidence and give you the ability to lead at the highest level.